Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna film a what I eat in a day. I hope that you guys find some healthy food inspiration in this video for simple, nutritious, and easy to make meals. Mo and I also have a really exciting announcement that we want to share with you guys. I think we're gonna have breakfast and then we'll talk about it. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. And as always, I've started my day with lots of fresh water. I also have to have a cup of warm water with some lemon juice. Really wakes my whole body up and it gets me nice and hydrated first thing in the morning. And now I am ready for breakfast. Okay, so for breakfast this morning, I'm gonna have some chia pudding. This is one of my favorite breakfasts to have. It's really filling, it's super nutritious, and really quick and easy as well, especially if you don't like to be cooking a lot in the morning. I make this the night before. It's just 1/4 of a cup of chia seeds, 1 cup of plant milk. I like almond milk. You can also use oat milk. I put a little bit of cinnamon and cardamom in there, stir it up. I just let it sit overnight and it's ready to go in the morning. And then you can top it with whatever you like. So here I've got some freshly washed raspberries. I've got some frozen wild blueberries. And then I'm also gonna put some walnuts on top, some pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. I also love some almond butter on there and some more cinnamon. Alright, so this is my breakfast this morning. Literally took me less than 5 minutes to put this together. Chia puddings are just so convenient, but they're also so good for you. And then you can really top it with whatever toppings you like. The berries are a great source of antioxidants and good vitamins. We've got some healthy fats as well with the seeds and the nuts and of course the chia seeds. So yeah, this has been one of my favorites lately. And now I'm going to tuck into this and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm almost halfway through my breakfast, but I have to say I just love all of these textures and all the different flavors and even just the colors. It just looks so beautiful to me and I just truly enjoy everything about this breakfast, and it's also just so easy. And again, just all of the textures. Oh my god, it is so delicious. So, I'm here with Mo. We are so excited. We have something really fun to share with you guys. So, we are going to be launching in 10 days. We're launching on the 30th of September, which is a Wednesday, so mark your calendars. So on the 30th of September, I'm gonna be posting a video sharing all the information, all the details of what our brand is about. But today we have launched our coming soon page and we've also launched our Instagram. I will have the information below in the description box. And let's say the name of our brand.
1, 2, 3.
Nourished 3. You can go on our website and please follow us on Instagram as well. All the information is going to be below in the description box. Also on our website, you can sign up for our newsletter, and there when we launch, you're going to get 10% off. So you're going to get an email from us with a code. But yeah, so you can sign up on our website and you can stay up to date with all of our launches, with any news that we have. And of course, also on our Instagram, we're going to have lots of pictures there. Not right now, we're gonna have a few, but obviously as we develop, you're gonna see everything.
10 days, guys, 10 days. We definitely want to say thank you to all of you guys, because without you, all of this wouldn't be possible. We are so happy to have all of you guys and to have your support all the time. Gives us a lot of opportunities and possibilities, and we're grateful for that. So thank you very much, guys. And I just hope that we can like develop in all of that together. It's gonna be something fun for all of us.
Yes, yes. Okay, now back to the video. Okay, so I am now ready for some lunch. I'm going to make myself a salad with some of this tuna salad on top. I love making this, and this is something else that is so easy to just make beforehand. You can keep it in your fridge for a few days and it lasts really well, and it's so delicious, and you can just put in any vegetables that you have. So this has got some cucumbers, tomatoes, red bell peppers. We've got some pickles in there too, lots of lemon juice, some vegan mayonnaise. I will have the recipe for this down below in the description box, and I'm gonna have that over some greens, and then I'm also gonna top it with some avocado. This one looks really good. So here is my lunch. I've put some salt and pepper on the avocado and some red chili flakes as well. And again, this is just another simple, really quick and easy idea for lunch. I sometimes also have this tuna salad over an avocado toast. But yeah, this is my lunch today. I am going to enjoy this, and I will see you guys in a little bit. It is now around 4:30 and I am out on a walk in my favorite place ever. We've been working pretty much all day and I started feeling a little bit anxious and I just needed to take a little break. So that is what I'm doing right now. It is such a beautiful day today. It's nice and warm. Probably gonna walk for about an hour and then come home and make an early dinner, take a nice shower. Here you guys can see a little bit of fall starting with these leaves. But yeah, super pretty. I am now back home and I'm gonna make us some dinner. It's around 5:30. That's usually when I'll start preparing, and then we normally sit down at around 6:30. So we like a nice early dinner. I think I'm gonna get into the shower first and just get nice and fresh and cozy because I feel a little bit hot from my walk. And today's been a little bit of a stressful day. It's a very big day, as I'm sure you guys can imagine. So yeah, I just need a good shower and then we can get all cozy and enjoy the evening after we eat. So tonight we are going to be having a Thai curry. I'm so excited. I love Thai food, and curries like this are actually really easy and very simple to make, and they're just so delicious. And you can use whatever veggies you have in the fridge. It doesn't have to be these exactly, but this is what I'm going to use today. We've got some cauliflower here, so good for you. I've got 1 carrot, 1 zucchini, a mix of different bell peppers. I've got red, green, and yellow. I sometimes make this just with one of the colors, but today I just happen to have all 3. Again, use what you have. I've also got some frozen kale here. You can also add in some spinach if you don't have kale. That works really well too. I've got some shrimp. These are frozen shrimp. They're already cooked, so I'm just gonna add these in at the end. I've got my Thai curry paste here, and then my coconut milk. I've got some veggie stock and some tamari. Here I have my pan, and it's got a little bit of coconut oil in there. And then here we've got an onion, some garlic, and ginger. I'm going to grate this and chop these up, and these are going to go into the pan first. As always, I will make sure to have the recipes for all of these things below in the description box, along with instructions for this meal if you guys want to make it as well. much done. I'm just waiting for the veggies to cook. They just need to simmer for I think another like 15 minutes or so. Here I've got some rice. This is some rice that I've already made, so I'm just going to heat that up, and this is going to be for Mo. And then I've made myself some quinoa. Here I've got the shrimp and the frozen kale. Those are going to go in at the end. And then I've prepared our bowls here with some spinach, a nice little way to sneak in some more greens. And then we've got some cilantro here and some lime juice. I'm going to top our curries with that. Ready. This looks so good. It smells so good. We've got the Thai curry, some spinach. I've got quinoa. Mo has rice. Yum. That is so delicious. Yum. And for a little dessert tonight, I'm gonna have some fresh raspberries with some dark chocolate. I've also made myself a peppermint tea, and we are going to watch something on Netflix. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. And again, make sure to check the description box down below for recipes and directions on how to make everything that I showed today. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.